was painted red, the stripe was white. It was 18 feet from the bow to stern light. Second hand from a dealer in Atlanta. I rode up with Daddy when he went there to get her. Put on the shine, put on the motor, built out of love and made for the water. We ran it for years till the transom got rotten. A piece of my childhood that would never be forgotten. It was just an old plywood boat, a 75 Johnson and an electric choke. A young girl, two hands on the wheel. I can't replace the way it made me feel. And I would turn her sharp, I would make it wine, he'd say. Can't beat the way an old wood boat rides. Just a little lake across the Alabama line, but I was king of the ocean when Daddy let me drive. Just an old half-ton, short bit Ford my uncle bought new back in '64. Daddy got it right, cause the engine was smoking. Couple burnt valves and he had it going. He'd let me drive her when we'd haul off a load down a dirt strip where we haul trash off a thick pan road. I'd sit up in that seat, stretch my feet out on the pedals, smiling like a hero who just received his medal. It was just an old hand-me-down Ford with a 3-speed on the column and a dent in the door. A young girl, two hands on the wheel. I can't replace the way it made me feel. And I would press that clutch and I would keep it right, he'd say. A little slower, girl, you're doing just fine. Just a dirt road with trash on each side, but I was Mario Andretti when Daddy let me drive. Well, someday I'll be grown up with daughters of my own. I'll let them drive my old Jeep across the pasture at our home. Maybe one day they'll reach back in their file and pull out that old memory and think of me and smile and say, it was just an old worn-out Jeep, rusty old floorboards, hot on my feet. A young girl, two hands on the wheel. I can't replace the way it made me feel. And he'd say, steer it left and turn it right. Straighten up, girl, now you're doing just fine. Just a little valley by the river where we'd ride, but I was high on a mountain when Daddy let me drive. Oh, he let me drive. Oh, he let me drive. It was just an old plywood boat with a 75 Johnson and an electric choke. I love you, Alan Jackson.